Mini-split systems, installation and troubleshooting. 1. What is a mini-split system? A mini-split system is a ductless HV system composed of an indoor evaporator unit, wall-mounted or ceiling cassette, an outdoor condenser, a line set that includes power wiring, refrigerant lines, and a drain hose. They are often used in bedrooms, garages, apartments, offices, new additions, or retrofits without ductwork. 2. Basic installation steps. Step 1. Mount the indoor unit. Choose a high wall location with access to exterior. Drill a 2.5 to 3-inch hole for piping bundle. Make sure unit is level to avoid drain issues. Step 2. Install the outdoor unit. Set on a pad or brackets. Keep space for airflow, minimum 12 to 18 inches from walls. Step 3. Run the line. Set. Connect refrigerant lines and insulation. Connect communication wires, usually 14.4 or 16.4. Use flare fittings and torque properly. Step 4. Electrical connections. Dedicated 240-volt breaker. Run whip to outdoor disconnect, bond ground, and follow NEC code. Step 5. Vacuum and test. Pull vacuum to 500 microns. Leak check. Open service valves and start system. 3. Common mini-split problems. Indoor unit. Dripping water. Dirty filter. Clogged drain. Unit not level. No cooling or low performance. Low refrigerant. Improper flare. Blocked condenser. Communication error. E1 P4 F1. Reversed wires. Loose connections. PCB board failure. 4. Troubleshooting tips. Always check error codes on display. Use non-invasive probes for temperature and pressure. If no power to indoor, check communication wire and breaker. If system runs but doesn't cool, test amp draw. Check for ice on the evaporator. Inspect flaring and valve opening. Final notes. Use torque wrenches for flares. Cover the piping with UV-resistant insulation. Always use a digital vacuum gauge. Mini-splits are sensitive. Clean work and detail matter. Mini-split systems are compact, efficient, and don't require ductwork. But don't let their size fool you. Proper mounting, clean flares, correct electrical, and good vacuum are critical. One loose connection or bad flare can cost hours. Learn to diagnose with the error codes and always double-check your work.